Y'all gonna reach way over there? And y'all throw it way over there now. Yeah.
Very cool.
Okay. What kind that is? That's still the snapper.
Oh, a big old turtle. Ooh.
He said, "Oh my God, I hit paradise. Yummy, 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 yummy." He trying to eat up all the pieces that come in there. Where the rest of them is? There'll be some more coming from somewhere. Except the little small one out there.
Eat the little piece right there. You get a little piece. You missing it. There you go.
Where yeah?
He got it.
He got it.
Yeah, he got it. It said do not feed the
You
animals.
want oh, look at that one snap that one up.
Feed these animals.
He came up and just snap it up. Look at that. But see? He just snapped it up. Look at that, right? That's a fish. That's some kind of fish. That's some kind of fish right there. Look at that turtle say, "You better get back." What? Better get back. Look at that. That's a fish. That's what that is.
Oh my God. That's a fish?
Yeah, that's a fish that jumping up, snapping their food. That's a fish somewhere. It's some kind. It's a bad brown.
What is it? A fish?
Yeah, it's a fish. Catfish. It's something big.
They got boo-boo fishes.
Oh, that's a great big piece of. Look at that. Look at them fishes there.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Yeah, that's them fishes right there. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that turtle say, "You better get back." Said what? He just went up in there and just took over. All right, you full now. Go somewhere and lay down. Send your relative back.
Oh, look at.
Send your relative back.
Babies out now.
You just being greedy. Yeah, 'cause he being greedy down here. You need to get back. Don't give him no more food. He already greedy. Look at him. Go somewhere and roll over.
Look at more coming.
We need. Oh, look at that, a small one. Yeah, that's. Yeah, throw it out. Yeah. Oh my God, they got a lot of.